What's going on YouTube? I am going to vlog my process of passing a 20K My Forex Funds challenge. So I'm going to do a 20K account challenge. I'm going to clear out the pairs that I don't trade and add only the pairs that I do trade. I do trade GJ, SPX, not as often as I trade GJ. GJ is my main pair. And I put Nas in there, but I'm really not going to trade it. And now I'm entering my first trade here for DJ for a sell because of this breaker block. It's going good right now, but I know I got in a little bit too early. So yeah, that didn't play out. Stop loss smacked. Guys, right now I'm in a sell for GJ on my funding challenge account, phase 1. And I got into the sell too early the first time. It hit stop loss, so I re-entered here at this 30-minute order block right here. My dog is drinking water. It's early in the morning. Don't mind him if y'all hear that. So I'm going from this 30-minute order block here, my entry, and then I'm going down to this daily order block, if y'all can see here. And then I will show you guys my MetaTrader 4 right now. I have a 0.50 lot size on this one only because my standard lot hit stop loss and I'm not trying to risk as much and quickly fail a challenge, because I'm telling y'all I took probably 13 of these things. So every time I'm at my desk, look at my setup, you know, this is what I be doing. He's right there. So if y'all hear my dog in any of these videos, yeah, he has to go wherever I go. And then the market started doing this little nasty stuff here with the wicks. So I got stopped out, but fuck that trade. I don't care. Overall, my initial trade is going good that I got in for my first entry. I did close out early because I didn't want to have the loss still sitting there and I didn't want to be in the red. I just wanted to feel like I started over and I had some profit there. Am I a little annoyed that I didn't stay in? Yes, because I would be up a lot more. But there's always another trade. So once it hits the initial take profit, another about 25 pips, we will reassess and figure out the next trade. Okay, and that ends trading day 1. All right, now I wanted to scalp real quick, sorry. But I'm just trying to scalp like a good $50 just to give me a bit of a buffer for later on tonight. And this is just my higher time frame analysis from before, which I really should have held my trade, but I'm still trading into that order block below. So it's still like scalping, but for a higher time frame confluence. And here are my results for day 1, including the last trade for my scalping little session. All right, you guys, so these are my goals. And I'm about to check off for Wednesday for my Bible study session. And this is what I do for mine, because one of my goals for the year is, before the end of the year, passing the 20K firm. I just erased the amount of money that I want to save without needing to touch it and put the eyes there, because it's none of y'all business. But 1,000 YouTube subscribers, be consistent with following Christ. And my first goal is to pass this challenge. For phase 1, my daily goal is anywhere between $300 to $500, and the daily loss of where I stop is at $200. So I hit 200. I didn't lose any more money. I made sure I secured it, and I got my $300 today, so check off the daily goal list. And yeah, so that's my thing. And then, you know, you got to. So it is about that time. I labeled all of the books so it's easier for me to find. Mercy recommended this Bible here. You know, she, women, us, me, her, I'm her. No, but here's my books and stuff that I really don't read. So for a quick summary of day 1, the first trade I got in too early, depending on that breaker block too much, and yeah, it stopped me out. I got back in and I kind of held that trade and took partials along the way and closed it once I hit break even on the 20K account, because I was down 200. So I got that plus like another 140 or $50, And then I end up losing 35, and then I went back and got, my $38 back because get my shit. But overall, 3 wins, 3 losses. The wins gotta outweigh the losses. So that was a win for me. And day 2 is coming up. Drum roll, please. Right now, because, where am I going? So I told y'all my dog goes everywhere I go. His name is Buddy. If y'all hear noises, it's him. Morning, everybody. Well, it's morning for me. It is 10:16 a.m. And I got into this AJ trade, I think at 7 in the morning. I'm not sure. Let me see. 4:30, damn. 4:30 in the morning. Off of this 30-minute order block here. I was trading from my phone. Y'all can see already. I think I was recording from my phone, so I posted that before. But trading off of that 30-minute order block down into this 4-hour order block below. Right here. It's a 2-candle order block. So you see last bearish candle, first candle. So I do see it approaching my stop loss. Take it going. All right. So for my broker, it just stopped me out already. And you better go and hit it on TradingView too, because that would be rude. Oh, they didn't give me 35. They only gave me 28. You little selfish prick. I should have took the $70, but all good. I'm kind of happy with what I got, especially because I wasn't going to get anything if I didn't actually trade and wake up that early in the morning. So that one was kind of sucky. Hopefully it gives me another entry. And it just gives an extensive pullback, maybe up into this area right here. So I was recording in my MetaTrader 4 as my stop loss getting hit was approaching. So yeah, we're just gonna, sadly watch this little clip of, me being up about $80 and only taking away $28. But at least it didn't take away all of the money. And yeah, just y'all, when stop loss is approaching, don't move y'all stop loss. Let the shit get hit. Don't whine, cry, and bitch about it. It is what it is, and it's gonna be what it's gonna be. And people showing me love on my Instagram. Y'all show me some love on my Instagram at WomenTrade2. All right, let me make this faster because it is dragging. I did end up getting into another sell for AJ off of the double top on the breaker block back into the 4-hour order block. So we will see how that goes and rock out from there. All right, my phone's going off, y'all. Gotta go. I feel like today price has been really close to my stop loss, and it's been scaring me. So I've been singing please don't hit my stop loss, please don't hit my stop loss, please don't hit my stop loss again today, please don't hit my stop loss, please don't hit my. Anyways, this is what I'm at right now. So yeah. All right, y'all. So y'all know I don't want my stop loss hit. So I was gonna be quiet about this, but let me tell y'all how my little punk ass moved my stop loss and just took the shit off. Let me record on my phone while I'm talking on this recording. And right now, I'm negative $17 in this trade. My stop loss was originally at 93,400. I done removed that shit because I didn't want my stop loss to be hit. But I think I'm going to put it back. Because one, this is how I feel most of my challenges. I get tired of getting my stop losses. Even if I'm doing pretty good, pretty decent, but I'm not in the red overall with the challenge, and it's just a rushing thing or whatever it is, it's a fear that I'm gonna keep on hitting my stop loss. But it happens. Just as long as your risk is good, it's cool. But I kind of wanted to like not shy away from talking about it because I know people take these challenges a lot, and you start getting in your head and psyching yourself out. That's my alert that, you know, pay attention. Your stop loss that was supposed to be there, it's about to get hit. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of talk about it, and I'm going to put it back right now, but I ain't putting it at 400. I'm gonna put it at like 425, just in case. Well, it's 429, just in case the spread stops me out. But there he goes, guys. I put my shit back, and I just wanted to talk about it because y'all heard the song I've been singing, and I think I psyched myself out once I did it. So don't sing that song. All right, I'll update y'all when whatever happens. And I'm kind of dope at finding nice setups, so it is what it is. Okay. That's not how Cardi does it, but I tried. Right now, I am in a buy position for GJ, and it's going good. I put a standard on here because I'm tired of dealing with 0.25s. I usually just do a 0.25s in my live account, but it's totally different from trading your live account and then fake money because this feels like demo to me. And then it's also like the pressure of passing the challenge and a little bit of pressure of like, you know, recording the process and letting people in your business like that. But yeah, I'm chilling the fuck out of this trade because I don't want to go back in the red. I'm really big on that right now. So that's kind of my main objective, is to stay out of the red at all costs. If anything, I can do a retry, but I'm not even trying to do that. I'm just trying to pass this thing. And this position is supposed to give me a good 45 pips with a standard side. I feel like I'm probably going to take away 380 if this works out the right way. If not, I'll be good with 200. And if it loses, I'll be good with losing like a nice little $20. That's it. But yeah, I'm just trying to end off the week positive. Thursdays are usually my best days, so I'm trying to let this shit come through. I was trying to sell earlier, but right now sales is not the thing. Obviously, with this double bottom here on this 1 hour order block, I know it's not selling. There's no need for me to keep on selling. I'm really positive about it grabbing liquidity since it's already rated liquidity from the bottom. It's also rated this liquidity that it came into over the last few hours. And so I'm looking up here near this 800 level for price to head to. And that's kind of my goal for the night, and actually just for the week, because once it hits this, but once it hits this, I am out. I'm about to put my stop loss actually right now at break even, because that's the best result that I can get from this trade, or at least really close to break even. So the most that I'll lose out of this trade will be like $20, $15, and the most that I'm willing to gain, well, the gain would be a good $300, $350. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Just gives me a little bit of a jump start for next week, and we will go from there. I believe I'm gonna post this portion of the challenge of this video, so that way you guys can kind of see my process, follow along with it. And if you guys have any pointers, definitely let me know. And yeah, this is probably the last trade that I'm going to take for the week. Get it out there, let it go, let it flow. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I don't know if there's videos out here like this. I know there's like regular ones like, oh, I passed my funding challenge, but there's really no like process, and like you can kind of feel the nerves and kind of see the back end of it and see each trade that they take behind the scenes and how that all plays out. But I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys can see now, I did move my stop loss to 300. I entered at 334, so there's the 3 pip stop loss here. And right here at 327, there was already a retest of this breaker block, order block, whatever it looks like. It looks like it did enough where if you come back here, I don't want you. So that's where I'm at with everything. And if it hits stop loss, y'all, I'm gonna be real pissed. Real pissed, because I'm tired. You ain't selling, bitch. You about to buy. So buy. Do your thing. Get up there. All right, y'all. I will follow up with y'all and let y'all know how this trade ends up. This is where I currently am right now. I just want to give you guys a look into the week, and I just started on Wednesday or Tuesday, one of those days. So this is where I'm at. is hit, as you guys can see. And this is part 1 of my phase 1 challenge. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell for part 2 next week, Friday. Bye, y'all.